Hello everybody! Before we start, I want to ask you, I'm very shy about my voice and accent, so please write in the comments how you like the video, with my voiceover, without voiceover, or with AI voiceover.
Like this or this.
Thank you! Now let's get started. We have a lot of parts divided into groups. The right side, they have round pins. The left part, semicircle pins. The center part, the outside, and the bottom. That's where we'll start assembly. First you need to press all the red parts into the small slide gears. Then assemble the face of the center gear, only in that order. If you have any difficulty, you can use a tool. And it will work. There are marks and names on the back of gears. You can see them better on the model. Let's turn them over and organize them. Now we need to put them together, according to this map. The center gear can run away, so it's better to put the opposite gear. Let's put the rest of the gears together. It's very important that the arrows face each other. Make sure everything is spinning. And cover the center and outer parts. Let's spin it a little. Turn it over. Spin it around and we'll see what's here. Is a heart. You can rotate it as you like. Sometimes satellites will be assembled without a center section. You can print it and give it to your significant other. She will be surprised. Thanks for watching. Link to models in description.